Welcome to Sanswadapalli Creations Educational YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about logical Venn diagrams of Nmms. So let's get started. This section deals with questions which aim to analyze the ability of candidates to relate a certain given group of items and illustrate it diagrammatically by Venn diagrams. Type 1. In such questions, few different types of sets of Venn diagrams are given to clear with their implications. First one, if the items belong to three different groups, they can be represented by three disjoint figures, such as these three separate circles A, B, and C. For example, A belongs to doctors, B belongs to engineers, and C belongs to lawyers. Second one, three items that are partly related to each other are represented as like these circles who are overlapping each other in the sides A, B, and C. For example, A group of authors, B group of teachers, and C group of men. Third one, if one item belongs to the same class of the second and the second belongs to the class of third, then the representation by Venn diagram is like this: a circle in another circle and the circle in another circle, like three orbits around something A, B, C. For example, seconds, minutes, hours. Clearly, seconds are a part of minutes and minutes are part of hours. Fourth one, if the two separate items belong to the class of the third, they are represented by two disjoint circles inside a bigger circle as shown in the figure given below. A circle which has two circles separately in it. A and B are the separate circles which are there in a big circle C. For example, table, chair and furniture. Clearly, table and chair are separate items but both are furnitures. Fifth one, if one item belongs to the class of second while the third is entirely different from the two. Example, thief A, criminal B and the judge C. It can be represented by Venn diagram given below. Here, one circle is there in another circle and there is a circle separate. Here, thief is the small circle which is in the big circle B, which is criminal, and the separate circle C is the judge. Because thief is a criminal and judge is not directly related with thief or criminal. Sixth one, if one item related to second while second related to third item but first and third are not related to each other, then it must be represented as a circle A, a circle B, a circle C. A circle A and circle B overlap by sideways and circle B and circle C overlap by sideways. This is how we represent it. Seventh one, if two items are partly related to one another but both items belong to a single group, then it can lie represented by Venn diagram given below. Two circles overlapping each other which belongs to a same circle. Circle A and circle B overlap each other and both belong to the same circle. Same circle or same thing or class. For example, teachers, graduates and human beings. Because all teachers may be graduates and human beings, but some teacher can be graduate and can be teachers. Type 2. In some problems, a Venn diagram is given in the form of a geometrical figure that represents different classes. The candidate is required to study and analyze the figure carefully and then answer certain questions as per given instructions. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe the channel.